Hey everybody, in today's video I will be talking about how I make my body powders for the summer, as well as just in general to help really add longevity to my deodorant. This is for girlies who sweat a lot, although it can be used for any and all skin types. I have oily based skin, so in the summer, like if there's even an ounce of heat, I'm just struck with sweat, and then my deodorant wipes off, and then it's a whole thing. So this helps me maintain a balance with my scents and just having more control in that area. All of the ingredients that I'll be using are safe to use on skin. I could even use it in my hair, on my face. I could even eat it if I really felt so inclined. So that is something I'm really excited about and happy to share with you all. For my base, I go in with Indian clay powder and I use Arrowroot powder. It's sort of a 5-to-1 ratio, although I don't use measuring utensils, so I cannot tell you for certain. And then with my essential oils, in this video, am using lemongrass, eucalyptus, and peppermint. In the future though, I'm very excited to try out more floral scents and maybe even some spicier scents, and throwing in orange and cinnamon and lavender, because lately for my body powders I've been leaning more towards like fresh linen and laundry-esque, which was more so for spring. And I know summer's almost wrapped up, however, I still, fall can be a little spicy. As for applying these powders to my skin, I currently just use a brush and I tap it on. Although in the future, I am super duper excited to use a body poof, because I think it'll just be so cute and it's super vintage and it's just all around sexy to just sit there in the mirror after my shower routine and poof away. Now, the most tedious part of this process is sifting through and making sure all the scents are completely mixed in. So you'll see me shaking, you'll see me stirring with my finger, and then even now I'm using a strainer to really dig in and get those scents separated and not clumped up. This step is so important because I used to have moments where it would be powders that were high potency, but then other powders that just smell like straight Indian clay. So definitely take note into that with whatever method you choose to mix. The cool thing about these powders is it can also help for my thick girlies. You can put it in between your thighs and it will cut down on chafing, especially in miniskirt era, even in your sundress era. It can aid in all that because we all know that can be a lot. But I am so grateful for you watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you try it out, please let me know. I want to know what your take is on it, how your recipe is tweaked, and of course, there will be more soon. Love you.